an inch longer, I think, wider the Deebot is, and you get a mopping function, which is awesome. Comes with a reusable mop, which we tend to use. We just scrubbed it a few times. We have not yet used the throwaway, but it's nice to have the throwaway ones. Super easy to empty as far as the vacuum portion. Pull that out. Clean, insert. I really like the fact that it has this tool to cut out any hair and debris, strings and crap that gets stuck in the vacuum portion. And then where you put your water in, you do it with one hand. I mean, it's very well designed. It does very well. I'm just hoping this doesn't. This allows us not to have to clean up floors every week. App is super easy to function, and then obviously two arm sweepers that get against the baseboards and everything. Way better than that. Mopping function, vacuum function. Highly recommend.
I am restoring the map. Please do not stand beside me. I've detected changes to the environment and updated the map.